This is a very much last minute project, so hopefully it'll be a very quick one. I've got these shorts that I've upcycled from old jeans, and by that I mean I cut off the legs and then I hated it. So now I want to turn it into a very quick, cute little skirt. I'm not exactly sure what we're doing yet. We're just gonna go with the flow and I'm gonna talk you through my process as I go. So let's get started. To avoid the most time-consuming part of any bottoms, aka the zipper, I just decided to keep the original waistband, including the zipper. Then I cut a bunch of patches out from the legs of the jeans that were left over, measuring that they're long enough to cover all the bits. They really don't have to be perfect, just random sizes, as long as they're long enough. I want the skirt to be rough looking, so some of the damage it already has is perfect. Now the fun part is pinning them all on. This part is just experimental. You were gonna have to keep pinning it on, off, changing them all out. I was just improvising and adding random pleats to make the skirt more flowy. Some patches look better from the wrong side as well because of the texture, so experiment with that as well. From the other leg, I cut out a long piece of fabric because I want some more pleats. You know how much I love my pleats. This time I just winged them because I don't have time for pleats today. But if you want a proper quick hack for pleats, it's in my other video. Then I just cut the size, making sure that it is long enough. I cannot stress the long enough part enough because I consistently make my skirts too short. Then I just kept repinning everything until it all worked together, making sure there's no opening and it's all cohesive and pretty. I made some pieces longer and dangling to add some texture too, and then sewed it all together, making sure I got all the layers and all the pleats are sewn down to keep their shape. Now to add the finishing touches, I wanted the skirt to be really rough and look really worn. So I've cut a bunch of little slits in the sides and then pulled out the yarn with the tweezers. Then I cut some holes and roughed them up too. Added some pins and came back to the sides. I recommend doing this with old scissors, not your fabric scissors, because they will get dull and that is stupid. And please, please avoid your hands. I also added a bigger hole to a patch that has backing for safety and then roughed that up too. When you wash the piece for the first time, all the bits that you roughed up will get even more rough, because of obviously the friction from the washing machine. And then I added a bunch of other bins and made more slits. Really just went ham all over the skirt. And then I still felt like it wasn't enough. So I added some white stitching like I did in the leg warmer video, which is extremely easy. And it's like my favorite thing to do. And because I'm a gold girly, I had to add some chains, some clips, make it all pretty and shiny. Basically just go wild and get creative with anything you have. And that is another skirt done and added to my closet. I know I've been making a lot of skirts lately. It's because I'm obsessed with mini skirts, so I have to make all the skirts. Let me know if you want me to make like a matching top for this, because I feel like it needs it, right? Like I am so in love with this piece that I have to keep adding to it. I already have like 2 leg warmer videos, so I'm not gonna make more leg warmers, but I might as a side project for myself. I cannot wait to keep adding to it. Cannot wait to make more projects. I have some fun little ideas for the future. So subscribe, like this video, let me know what else you want to see from me. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.